up a new website on WordPress, I go to wordpress.com/new, or if you've just signed up for WordPress, this is what they'll give you anyway. So my site is called One Page, I don't know, Social, and I can change it later. Continue. One Page Social is free. Just choose the free one. We're not going to do anything until we've got everything else sorted out as far as paying for annual plans. You don't want to pay for an annual plan, or you don't want that tick over to start until you're ready, if ever. Pick your favorite homepage layout you can customize later. Well, I know the theme that I want to use is called Independent Publisher, but I'm pretty sure I have to choose whatever they give me on the day, and then I can change it. So, unless they have a blank one here, I chose that one, Start from Scratch. I'm not going to choose any of these tools because we'd have to pay for them, so I'm going to skip now. And then it's going to ask me again to pay. Do not pay until you know what you're paying for and that you need it. Click free, 3 gigabytes of storage space. If I'm going to upload videos, I'll put them on YouTube and then embed them back in my website. I won't upload them to the website. Click select. Now I'm going to come back later and buy a domain name and have the actual domain name take over this page, but this will do for now. So let's have a look and see what One Page Social looks like. Empty page. The visitors won't see this bar at the top, they'll just see this at the moment. We can get rid of these, but let's go back here, dashboard, and go to appearance and themes, and this changes not only one page and its layout, but the whole website. But we've only got one page, so it's fine. And I really like, for this, I think we're going to do this. I really like Independent Publisher, this one. So I can put up a bit of text about what the organisation's for, what the social media agency's for. I can put up an image and a bit more of a description. I can put up a photo gallery, more information, and one of these blocks could also be the About Us sort of page as well. So I'm going to activate Independent Publisher. Independent Publisher number 2. And then I'm going to edit the home page, and then on this one, refresh. We've got my image here, and we've got the title of the website, not the page, but the title of the website. And we'll say here, do you need? And then the next block is, are you a small business needing help with Instagram photos? Are you seeking more engagement on Facebook? Would you like help to connect with your network on LinkedIn? Whatever you want to do, whatever you think are your superpowers, do that. The next one, I type slash and then heading. Helps if you can spell. And that puts another heading up here, like this one. And I would say here about One Page Social. And I'm just going to use a normal paragraph block. I'm a social media strategist that creates content diaries and Facebook ads. I don't know, whatever it is you think you're going to do. And then I would say my background is, if you don't have a lot of experience, put in any marketing, any retail, any customer service work that you've done. And obviously if you're specializing, for instance, in social media and employer branding, put in your HR, recruitment, whatever background, if you don't have social media specifically. So then the next one down, block here, and type in contact, and then I'm going to click browse all, and that will bring all of them up on the left hand side. I'm going to choose this one here, which is sort of a very basic contact details block. It will put everything right across the page, but I'm okay with that. Change get in touch to want more info or talk to me. Fill in the address here, fill in the telephone number, put your email address in here. I'm just going to delete this little button. And then for Facebook, I click on it and just put in Laurel Papworth. Oops. And then Twitter is Silk Charm. And then I go across and fill all of them in, obviously. And that's my page. Now I need to make this live. We go to settings, we go to general, launch site, click on launch site, because at the moment, if I take this and I view it in incognito, we see coming soon. We don't want that. We want it actually to go live. And I want you to make this go live as quickly as possible. This is your minimal viable product. Once you've gone live, people will start to find you and you'll figure out the rest of it as you go along. So we click launch site, continue with the free site, and I've launched the site. So when I go to incognito window, paste everything in, the site's now live. And notice that it has the WordPress ad up here and down here. And once we've bought our domain name and mapped it to the website, then we can get rid of those things. But in order just to have something up and running so that people can see you, see what you do, see your history, see your contact details, this is the simplest way to do it. Thank you for joining me. I wanted to put together a super quick MVP, minimal viable product, for you to get a website up and running very quickly, launch it, and then you can spend tomorrow, the weekend, next week, whatever, buying a domain name, mapping it back to WordPress so that it doesn't have WordPress in the title anymore, and getting rid of the ads. But you would have to pay for that. So I can do that in the next video if that's what you want. If it's not what you want, let me know what you do want. Would you prefer to know how to set up email MX records so that you can have, so I can have, Laurel at onepagesocial.com rather than using my Gmail, but it's up to you. It really is. Let me know what you're interested in. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye.